Break number 19, 14, 15. Totally certified basketball. First pack when we started, we had a Spencer Dinwiddie die cut for the Pistons rookie card. But 130 of 135. And we had a Derrick Rose red for the Bulls. 73 of 279. Alright, and this is where we stop. First pack. Next card for the Wizards. Rasal Butler. 74 of 99. Sticker auto. Present potential. Nothing. Anthony Davis. And Bajero. Base. Y'all gotta be nice to me now. Mama Hen sitting next to me. Can't be me. Michael Carter Williams. Sixers. Pelicans, Russ Smith, rookie card. Next hit, number 1. For the Thunder, Kevin Durant. 241 of 299. Certified skill, that's not the hit. It was just a backwards insert. This is the hit. I hate when they do that. Mason Plumlee. 5 of 99 for the Nets. That's that team y'all didn't want to buy, huh? The Nets, is that who I wound up with? Sticker auto. Classic Nets. Isn't that the team I wound up with? Nobody want it? I think so. Nothing. Sean Marion. Box 1, pack 3. Channing Frye, Magic. Base. This is the gold version, I believe. Not numbered, yes, gold. Marcin Gortat. 9 of 10 for the Wizards. Nice hit. These golds are pretty nice. Nice gold for the Wizards. That's just a Kevin Love base. And the hit, Carmelo Anthony for the Knicks. Clear claw. Mm-hmm. 151 of 199. Paul George. The polished hammy. Last pack, box 1. We got a die cut in here. McGee, Nuggets. Andrew Wiggins, rookie card, Timberwolves. Bill Russell, Celtics, 80 of 149. Purple. Clint Anthony early for the Knicks. 3 of 99. It's going to be a die cut jersey piece. Single color. Nerlens Noel. Base. Alright guys, box 2. Empty. Pack 1, box 2. Dwayne Wade, Heat. Yeah, Polish Hammer. Aaron Gordon, rookie card. Magic. Glenn Robinson III, rookie card, purple. And that would be numbered to 13 of 149. Next hit, Shumpert for the Knicks. Clear claw. 3 of 199. And it doesn't want you to see it. There we go. Steph Curry. Base. Back 2, box 2. Yeah, Eddie is still awake. Bradley Beal, Washington. Kyle Anderson for the Spurs, 7 of 49. Purple. Marcus Smart for the Celtics, 120 of 135. Red die cut rookie card. For the Spurs, 125 of 249. David Robinson. Single color jersey. For the Spurs, Zach Randolph, Memphis, base. Pack 3, box 2. Terrence Ross, Raptors. For the Lakers, Julius Randle, rookie card. For the Cavs, Kyrie Irving. Just base. David Lee for the Warriors, clear claw. 98 of 199. You didn't really want to see that anyway, did you? Trust me, it's 98 of 199. Single color. CJ McCollum. Terrence Ross. Last pack. Box 2. Do we have an auto yet in this box? I don't think so. This might be the auto. This is the auto. This will be your auto. Kemba Walker. For the Cavs, Kevin Love. Red for Dallas, Jason Kidd. $118 of $279. Everybody say, ooh, Kevin Durant's the auto, but he's not. He's just in here backwards. The auto is for the Hornets, Noah Vonleh. 166 of 249. On card rookie roll call. Another. Right. Box 3, guys. Good luck. Pack 1, box 3. Eddie, you fall asleep? Who'd you get? Jason Kia. Spencer Dinwiddie. Didn't we start with him? I think we did. Come on, where you at? 44-49. Purple. Chris Paul base for the Clippers. First hit for your Timberwolves. 168 of 249, Mr. Wiggins. Single color jersey. Blake Griffin base. Is anybody watching this? Here's the video. Is the audio working? Is anybody watching this? Yeah, it's working. They can hear me. It sounds scruggly. Alright. Steve Nash. Eric Green, rookie card, Nuggets. LeBron. Base for the Cavs. Clear cloth, Paul Pierce for the Wizards. 286 of 299. Okay, not coming. There we go. Tough. Just want to pick up the card instead. 286 of 299. You're happy with your kids? Victor Oladipo base. Pack 3. Patrick Ewing. 16, you got to hit eventually. Hey, you would think. If you don't, I promise you, I'll make sure you get a nice little package in the mail. Scottie Pippen, Bulls, red. 106 of 279. Huh? Great American Heroes. Tim Hardaway, Warriors. 121 of 299. In your auto for the Raptors, Bruno Caboclo. I butchered that. Everybody laugh. 2 of 99.
That wasn't bad.
Sticker auto, Future Stars. Nothing. Klay Thompson, base. Last pack, box 3. Avery Bradley, base. Joe Harris, rookie card for the Cavs. Mirotic for the Bulls, purple, rookie card. And that would be numbered 51 of 149. Next hit for the Pelicans, Tyreke Evans, clear cloth, single color. 82 of 299. And Nikola Vucevic for the Magic. Hey guys, that's it for 3. Box 4. Have you hit anything yet, Tater? I don't remember what teams you had. Empty. Eddie, you must have your volume off. I've done actually like 4 times if you're awake. Nope. Wow. Okay. OJ Mayo. See if we can pull you something. I don't remember who you got, but maybe we'll get you something there. CJ Wilcox, rookie card. Mike Conley for the Grizzlies, 46 of 135. Die cut, red. First hit, Terrence Ross for the Raptors, 159 of 299. Clear cloth, single color. Drew Holiday for the Pellies, base. Pack 2. For the Bulls, Jimmy Butler. Jordan Adams for the Grizzlies, rookie card. Certified Excellence, Chris Paul for the Clippers. Celtics. Well, I just got you a Clippers, man. Ain't what you're looking for, but 225 of 299. Mixers equals mixers. Or you mean mixers equals Sixers? You ought to go see DZ. He's been mixing tonight. He's going to be sleeping on the sofa, too, because he's not dancing. But he might be dancing now. This is a start. Yeah, you're right. For the Magic, Aaron Gordon, clear cloth, 123 of 299. I know autocorrect is terrible. I hate it. But then again, sometimes I like it because sometimes I can't spell the word. And I'm like, Al Jefferson base for the Cats. Oh. Actually, the Hornets. Let's see. This needs to go over here. Alright, let's see if we can pull something out of them 6. Pack 3. Bill Russell, base for the Celtics. Red for the Heat, Dwayne Wade. And that is numbered 272 of 279. Blue for the Rockets, James Harden. And that is 61 of 149. And this pack has your auto. Nicholas Batum base. The auto is for the Jazz. There you go, Tater. Got you an auto. Trey Burke. 46 of 75. Sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker, but it's a start. I'm getting there. Trey Burke for the Jazz. Woohoo! Yeah, you're right. And a blank. Last pack, box 3, no box 4. Damian Lillard, base. For the Blazers. That's you again, Tater, huh? Scottie Pippen.
Asking you shall receive.
20 of 49. See, you should have told me this earlier. We would have started a lot earlier. Purple. Pippen has a good following, too. I think his cards sell pretty well. This is just going to be a base. Carmelo Anthony for the Knicks. Isaiah Thomas, base for the Suns. Next hit for the Pelicans. Anthony Davis, 233 of 249 for the Pellies. Single color jersey, white. Again, I don't think any jersey should be white. If you're going to put a jersey on a card, make it any other color but white. But it is what it is. I don't make them. All right, guys, last pack. Last pack, last box. You got 4 packs. 4 packs, 1 box, and then it's a wrap. There you go, that's empty. Pack 1. Good luck. Channing Frye for the Magic, base. Brandon Knight for the Bucks, red. And that is numbered 41 of 279. Next, for OKC, Kevin Durant, 36 of 135. Die cut, red. Auto, first pack. Let's see here. Last base is LaMarcus Aldridge. And your auto is for the Thunder, Steven Adams. 9 of 25. Sticker Future Stars. Steven Adams, OKC. And nothing. Guys, 3 packs to go. Vrajo for the Cavs. For the Hornets, Gerald Henderson, 27 of 49. That would be purple. Purple. Doug McDermott, rookie card, blue for the Bulls. Actually, I think that's purple too. 136 of 149. Shaboom. Next hit for the Grizzlies, Jordan Adams. 11 of 249. Single color jersey. And last base, Dwight Howard for the Rockets. Woohoo! Where you at playing for keeps, Eddie? I think you've been sleeping, huh? Or you finally hit something. Who you got, the Grizzlies? You must have the Grizzlies. That's right. Eddie must have the Grizzlies. I can't get this pack open. It must be something good now. Tony Parker, base. Bruno Caboclo, rookie card. Yeah, you got the Grizzlies. For the Spurs, Kawhi Leonard, base. For the Mavericks, Chandler Parsons, clear claw, 195 or 199. Huh?
White.
Yeah, white. Again, white. Come on, guys. White. Put some blood on it or something. Derek Favors, base for the Jazz. Alright, guys, last pack. Don't forget to stay for the extra cards. And like I told everybody earlier, if you want to get in a division random football break after this, we got 2 breaks we can do. 2014 Rookies and Stars or 2012 Panini Black. 25 or 45 random division. That means you can get 4 teams for $25. 3 boxes. Russell Westbrook, base. Early rookie card for the Knicks. Great American Heroes for the Clippers. Blake Griffin. And that is numbered to 63 of 299. Last base, Alex Lynn for the Suns. Last hit of the break goes to the Cavs, Kyrie Irving. 13 of 199, and of course it's white. Clear claw. And there you have it. That's the break. Okay, let me get the random set up. Like I said, I did not get Lanyard packs put together for this. But I do have 2 cards that we will do. Did you X out random?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go ahead and stop the. We'll keep the video going for right now. Are you done? Okay. All right, we're gonna roll the die. Snake eyes. We're gonna roll again. We do not do snake eyes. One more time. And we should have stuck with snake eyes.
9.
Well, you didn't put it over here for them to see. Alright, the die was a 9. Now we're going to put all 30 teams in. Top 2 teams get to choose if you're in the room. If not, I will choose for you and just send it with your stuff. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9th time. We have the Pacers and the Rockets.
Same person.
Same person. Pacers and Rockets. You own them both. Are you in the room? Pacers and Rockets.
What would you do if it went to you? Would you do the second?
What I do if I would have got it? I'd have kept it. They had an opportunity to buy that team. No, I would have put it back in. I don't even remember what team I wound up with.
Nets.
Nets.
You should do it to the second, third person.
Pacers and Rockets. Nobody. That's what we got for the Nets. That nobody wanted.
Not numbered. Oh, it is.
Pacers and Rockets.
How about a 99?
No? Nobody? Nobody? What? Oh, leave that up there. Pacers and Rockets. Anybody? No, no, no. Okay. Alright. Hey, are y'all still in the room? I'm gonna do something else. Bowley, DZ, Tater, and playing for keeps. Y'all still with me? Give me a yay or nay, or well, if you give me a nay, I know you're lying because you can't write nay if you're not in here.
You should let me open a box.
I was Steelers and Saints up there. All right, Bowley, you're here. Tater, you're here. What about you, DZ? You dancing or you here? You better be dancing. About you, Eddie, you still here?
Eddie's probably asleep.
Eddie be sleeping?
10:40, about his bedtime.
Yeah, alright.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, lazy, yeah. About you, DZ, you here? Clear random.
You try to do the division.
DZ's dancing. Okay, guys, y'all still with me? Okay. This, since nobody got the Nets, and I got the Nets, this is the only hit they got. And so I'm going to random it between you guys. Mason Plumlee. Sticker auto. $5 of 99. Since y'all stuck with me, it's going to belong to one of y'all. Gonna put your names in random. I think we should go ahead and add DZ too, because I know he's here. He's actually, his wife is making him dance. He's been here with us all night also, so we'll throw him in there too. DZ 74. All right, we're gonna roll the die. Damn. Man, we're going to be all night. This slow computer.
12.
11.
12.
That was 11. 6 plus 5. Where'd you go to school? Well, me and your mama got to have a talk. Something ain't right with you. All right, we're going to do it 11 times. Guy on top gets it. Good luck. Might take us till morning. That's going. Where we at? 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Tater. FJH. You're right. FJH education. That's what's killing this boy. Tater, you still with us?
This is what I do. Look. They're right here. Cut,
Yeah, all right. I thought maybe you left me. I was about to say you leave me. I ain't gonna give it to you.
cut the top off.
Can you? No, stop doing that. Give me my screen back. What do you got? Put me back on web. All right, here we are. There you go. Let's go into you, Mason Plumley. Sticker auto. We'll go with your pile. All right, guys. That's the break.